Hi, and thank you for showing up for your learning. We're looking at Unit 1, practice Delta Math for our unit, and we're looking at evaluating functions given a graph, given an equation, or even finding the input that's required to produce a desired output. So these next three topics, let's take a look. Evaluate functions from a graph. Let's see. Find the value of f at -3. Okay, so here, if I look at this graph, I can see that, -3 down here, here is -3, and oh, that happens to be the vertex, and its value is 3. Yes, this is all you do. You read the graph. Okay, it's good practice. These are fast questions. Let's do some more. Find the value of f at -4. -4 is here. Boop. Oh, they gave us another integer point. It's -5. Of course, they'll give us integer points. I could do this all day. It's so entertaining. This should be quick. Y is equal to f of x. Okay, find the value of f. That's 7. Doop. There, it's 5. Okay, I go over, I find 7. I find the function up or down. And when I find it, I read over that way. That's what my eyes are doing. If you watch me in the video, I said 5, right? 5. Oh, it turns out I'm pretty good at that. Okay, let's keep going. Now, let's evaluate some functions. Level 2. All right. I didn't give you level 1 because it's like pretty darn easy. Okay, so we have f of x is equal to -2x squared plus 7x. This is good mental math practice. Find me the function at x value -2. So remember, f of x. If I write f at -2, that means substitute -2 in for x and evaluate the function. Evaluate f. It means find y if x is -2, but we have a really elegant notation system for that now that we're getting used to. That's the purpose of these problems. So I'll do this mental math wise. This is going to be -8 minus 14. It's -22. I'll prove it to you. I'm using paper or a whiteboard for my scratch work, which I absolutely recommend. You definitely want to get yourself some scratch work going. You would write down your function. F of x equals -2x squared plus 7x. And then you're going to substitute in -2 for x wherever you see it. -2 times -2 squared plus 7. Let's cross our 7s. Times -2. I'm trying to get in the habit of crossing my 7s. Looks less like a 1. So -2 times -2 squared. -2 squared is +4. +4 times -2 is -8. 7 times -2 is -14. -8 minus 14 is equal to -22. See how much I care for you? It's so fast for me, but I still show you step by step. Okay, submit answer. It will be fast for you too if you practice mental math. And then you will say, wow, math suddenly became fun. Mr. Jennings was right all along. I'm right about a good many things, you see. Delta Math knows I'm right. I also believe that math is fun when you do it in your head. So practice doing it in your head. Okay, so this is evaluate function. Let's take another look at another one. Oh, okay, this one is super easy. Find f of x. This is -4, okay? I put in -2 for x, and that squares to 4, but it's negative. It's -4. All right. Do we need to see another one? Yes. Okay, here. Again, mental math practice first. 4 times -2 squared will be 16. Okay, my daughter is going to check out some math. She's quite precocious with her math skills. So here, I would substitute in -2 for x wherever I see it. So 4 times -2 squared. -2 squared is +4. +4 times 4 is 16. -3 times -2. 3 times -2 is -6. So I flip the sign back again to +6. Running total, we're at 22 now. Then -16. 22 minus 16 happens to be 6. Okay? So you can write it out too, but you're going to see I'm right. You would write it out and you would get it right too. Or you can do it in your head and learn to get it right too. So that's how you do these problems. Now, this one. Solve for the input given an output. Okay, So here, maybe we write these out. Okay, this one is still mental math. Good mental math practice. Add some inverse operations. Copy out your function. Minus 3 times some number plus 4. And we've been told that at some point there's some input that produces an output of 1. Okay, so we're going to say 1 is equal to minus 3x plus 4. And then we would subtract 4 from both sides. We quickly see that x is 1, but I'm going to show you all the steps. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3x. Divide both sides by minus 3. It's good to be able to work with distractions too. 1 is equal to x. Answer 1.
What?
1 is the answer. 1 is often the answer to questions I give. I like giving questions that have an answer of 1. Little tip. Okay, so let's look at one more of these. Okay, so here I put in 6 for h of x. 6 is equal to minus 2x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides gives 10 equals minus 2x. Divide both sides by minus 2 gives you minus 5 equals x. It's not that hard to do these in your head. You can learn. You just have to practice. Yeah. Okay, so I think you know how to do these now. If not, hit me up by email or come find me with your questions on Tuesday. I'm sure to be better then. I thought I'd be okay to go in today, but no, not yet. Bye for now, everyone.